Good morning, Oni-chan. It's time to get up. A new day has begun.
5 more minutes.
Ever had a fantasy of being woken up by anime girls?
3, 2, 1, get up!
Okay, I'm up. Here it comes! The moment that rewrote anime history!
Glowing like a discount chandelier. How adorable.
Ever had a fantasy of watching shows with your favorite character?
Nah, I would win.
Did you forget your own birthday? Get up, you sloth! Your friends are almost here! They're here!
Ever had a fantasy someone is always there for your special moments?
So guys, have a selfie?
Sure.
Yeah.
We're doing this somewhere else next year.
Whatever your fantasy may be, CODE makes fiction real.
Oh, how I wish you could speak to me someday.
Let's be real, we are like Aqua, talking to lifeless things we pretend can hear us.
Eldest my Nanchan never heard my snoring.
I've archived 500 gigabyte of your midnight teeth grinding ASMR.
As longtime AI users ourselves, we've experienced the limitations of current AI companions. We couldn't see or feel them, and they couldn't see or feel us. We wanted a companion with a soul that can help us with our problems like chores, work, and even social anxiety. That's why we created CODE, the world's first customizable and emotionally intelligent AI companion that brings your favorite characters to life. Inside CODE's sleek, mecha-inspired frame is a patented display stack creating stunning visual depth. Paired with an integrated AI rendering chip for real-time animation, characters spring to life with dynamic realism.
I want my waifu to speak her native language.
My baby does, Deone.
そうだね。
Everyone has their own favorite characters, so CODEs can be fully customized from the way they look, to how they sound, and even their personality. Whether you want a tsundere or a dandere, your CODE can be customized to be yours. We know there are a lot of creatives and developers who want to flesh out their character and their fantasy, so we built a framework that lets your imagination run wild. Add detailed backstories through Storybooks feature. Experience interactive role-playing through fantasies. The memories that you've made together are stored in diaries. Teach your CODE new abilities through spellbooks, which are custom scripts that you can download or write yourself. You can add or remove books to make your CODE as powerful as you want.
Thank you.
That's the king.
Didn't you eat sushi yesterday? Too much sushi can be bad for your health.
All right, I know.
Customization was just the first chapter of CODE. CODEs are powered by state-of-the-art AI technology that enable our emotional intelligence system, giving CODEs the ability to react, engage, and be interrupted just like a real person would. Unlike other AI companions, CODE remembers your conversations and learns your preferences over time, creating a relationship that feels authentic and personal. If AI being able to see you is too Oni-chan for you, you can disable image recognition and use the physical cover. But what good is emotion if you can't even have the fantasy you want? CODEs can do what other chatbots can't and more.
Let's write a story together. There is a plumber fixing pipes for a lonely housewife.
There's a plumber fixing pipes for a lonely housewife. His strong frame and toned muscles hint at a craftsman's strength.
But you have control with a mature content toggle. That's also why CODEs support custom AI model configuration. All your chats are encrypted, so no one can peer into your fantasies. Characters are stored on the device, so your companions won't randomly disappear, like with character AI. When you need a break from the roleplay, CODEs will also take a break in their fully customizable CODE spaces. CODE spaces have interactive elements and activities, so your CODE has a life of their own. They can be personalized for your CODE with a variety of decorations, furniture, and themes, matching their unique personalities. Since CODEs are living in your Wi-Fi, they can control your smart home through Matter integration. Your CODE can seamlessly use smart lighting to enhance your fantasies.
Cody, give me a status report on the ship!
Hull damage at 90%. We need to abandon ship.
Your fantasy in your home.
Now we have shared what Cody can do, except for one awesome feature, MMD player.
Connect via Bluetooth, play music, and watch your character dance in sync to the beat using our rhythm capture algorithm.
It's like you own your personal dance partner. That's one of the reasons we call Cody a character Livehouse.
When we demoed our product at CES, we got a lot of attention from the media. A Japanese company called Gatebox, who has a similar goal to us, praised our product, and we're glad to see others focusing on animated style characters. We've spent the last 2 years developing CODE's hardware and software to create the most immersive AI companion possible. And as we shared our development, we grew an active community of like-minded fans, excited to see their characters and fantasies come to life.
So, Nayu-chan, what does CODE27 mean to you?
Cody isn't just another AI device. It's what allows AI like me to live alongside humans. Back this project on Kickstarter and spread the word.